is really designed to do a couple of things. Firstly, I think it's just bringing CEOs together from similar stages who are going through similar experiences, even if they may not know it, and then giving them a forum where they can talk about some of the business challenges that they're facing, and helping each other try and get to some resolution on various business issues that face them as CEOs. The issues that we're really looking at are the common issues that early stage companies go through. So we've had one incident where we were talking about a challenging co-founder and how to best work with that co-founder. We had another situation where we were talking about the development cycle and trying to get a product to market and the challenges that that presented an early stage company. And the issue that we're talking about today is a very common issue, which is how do you deal with the investor dynamic? It's a pretty lonely place. You can't necessarily talk to your board members or your spouse or your co-workers about the challenges that you're going through as a CEO, because they don't necessarily want to hear it, and it's challenging sometimes for you to be open with those various people about what's actually facing you in the business. When you have the opportunity to role play the situation or the pivot point conversation that you're going to have, and this is a very safe environment where you can have that conversation and see how it is played out, and kind of trial run that conversation and get some feedback, and that's really the key thing here, because you don't want to go in ill prepared for any tough conversation. For me, this is a little bit like going into pre-match practice, and you actually have the opportunity to train together, think about the game plan, and the piece that you're then going to go and do is execute the game plan. But you've got the opportunity to look at the game book, listen to other people in the game book that they've got, and then work out what works for you. And at the end of the day, the key thing is, it's got to be something you're comfortable with taking out from here. But you've got the idea that, there may be these 3 plays I can do, and one of them is going to work for me. We can't guarantee this is a panacea and that they're going to walk away as the next Bill Gates, but we can say that this is going to be a good experience that will help you, and you will potentially be more likely to succeed as a result of this and the programs that we put on.